I guess they have adoptions here, like for pet adoptions. Check it out. Let's go. What's up, guys? So we're here in HB, walking to the street fair. I'm here with the homie Austin. I haven't been here in a minute to the street fair, so we'll see what's up, right? So it seems like they're just starting, so they're setting up, so there's no way of like kind of looking at anything. So we'll just wait and see. Maybe check out the beach or something. Or maybe not all the way. I don't really want to go all the way over there, even though it's literally like it's like right there. But oh hell nah. Like these things are always here, so these things will always be that way. They've been set up since forever. Alright, well, we're just waiting. So we're just gonna walk around. Something else to do really. But wait. Alright, so we're gonna go to the pier. Well, we're actually on the pier in Huntington Beach. So I'm in the middle. Well, not even in the middle. It's kind of like while it's starting in a way, like probably like 200 feet maybe. Yeah. From the pier. Okay. They always have these little things. Not like Newport. Newport doesn't have this, but they have all these freaking. They sell these like sunglasses, little stores, right? Yeah. Kind of like tourist stores. So I'll show you guys something. See if we could record in there. Maybe not. I don't think so, but we'll see what we can do. So I'll show you guys what they have here as far as like outside. You could already tell there's things outside, so we'll see what's up, all right? So pretty much inside these stores, I'm gonna show you what you guys can buy in here. It's actually a long list of things, but I'm gonna go ahead and read them out to you because I have no clue why. Unless you guys can just read it, it doesn't matter, but here it is, the clutch right here. There's gifts, toys, clothing, souvenirs, beach items, seashells, jewelry, signs, and hats.
And balls. Lots of balls.
So these are the seashells. I wonder if they're real though. This looks pretty cool. Whoa, these are big. $9.99 plus tax, and California tax is kind of expensive, so. And why buy it here when you could just go over there and look for it? Oh, whatever. Oh, these are all shiny. I wonder if these are real.
You know what? It's real busy right now.
I don't know, but
breaking all. Maybe if you go up and down the pier.
Oh, there's glasses over here.
Alright. That green one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Alright, so hopefully you guys liked what it was. I did show only the outside of the stores because it was kind of not full. You know what, I'll be honest, I just didn't want to go in because I didn't want to ask if I could go inside and record, so I just got over it. But for now, we have to walk all the way to the Rubies. It's all the way over there, and I kind of don't want to. But Rubies? I don't either, but I thought you did. You don't? I don't want to walk all the way. It's kind of far. Like, there's the Rubies all the way to the, like, in the end of the actual pier, so I don't want to really go. Yeah, I kind of want to go back. Huh? Well, I guess we're gonna record inside the stores. Alright, well, I guess they have adoptions here, like for pet adoptions. Check it out. Dude, these guys want to get out of there. Oh, it was in a bite. It almost bit me. It's kind of nice. They have pet adoptions here. So we're back, and they're still setting up, as you can tell. So apparently we got here too early. There's some people are already set up though, so we're just waiting. Still waiting.
Still waiting.
Still waiting. Still waiting.
Still waiting.
Still waiting. Still waiting.
Still waiting.
Still waiting. We walked all the way to the beach because we're still freaking waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting.
Still waiting.
We're still waiting, bro. Still waiting. Still freaking waiting.
What are you waiting for?
The street fair. It's taking forever, dude. Wait, is it today, dude? Isn't it supposed to be here?
I think so.
I don't know. I'm waiting for the street fair, but I have no clue.
Did they just roll it all in at one time? Like one trailer and they parked it?
I don't know. I remember it was to be here. I'm confused, dude. And it's a Tuesday. Well, I guess we're not gonna get to it. I guess we're not gonna find the street fair, dude.
I have no idea where it's at.
We just walk this way. I guess there's no free street fair.
You know where the street fair's at? Anyone know where the street fair's at?
You're at
This is not fair. I'm looking for a Ferris wheel and all that crap.
Where's the street fair?
Just because they're on the street and there's a bunch of fucking people.
So we actually figured out that it starts at 5. It's currently not even 4. So we're still waiting.
Still waiting.
I mean, apparently they kind of seem like they're ready, but they really are not. But I mean, we could walk around before it gets super packed. It's kind of lonely, but we're gonna walk and talk and see what we can talk about. Oh shit. I don't know, there isn't anything special really. Just stuff you could find like at Albertsons or at your grocery store. Just like twice as expensive. So it's like when you go to like a farmer's market. Well, farmer's market is cheap, right? No, I know, but I meant like a different.
No, this is like the rich people of Huntington Beach farmers.
Like they don't mind paying $4 for one orange, for one. They have soaps or whatever that is. I don't know what that is actually.
Essential oils.
They have candles. Oh, they have shirts. Oh, I don't even want to look at that. Sorry I'm late, I didn't want to come. Oh, that was funny. But if I caught those, it's funny. But if I didn't, well, I don't want to look that way because that's all like homemade bread. Well, I don't know if it's homemade, but they probably just buy it at the store and just take it out of the packaging and then just put it over here.
Right.
But each little thing, they probably went to the donut place.
Right when they close, when they're about to throw away all their stuff.
Yeah. So this is the rocks. Whatever. Oh, it smells good. Look at this. Got like different like smells. That smelled pretty good. It reminds me when you go to the bathroom. No, I don't mean it that way, but you go to the bathroom and it smells like really good. That's what it smells like. I mean, I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to say, but yeah.
I do, man. I do.
What?
I know what you're trying to say.
What?
I don't know. I really wasn't listening.
Stupid. Oh, they have food, carne asada, cheese fries. That's the guys that are. Hey, I think they're finally ready. Oh yeah, we want a sample of oranges, the $4 oranges. Oh yeah, that guy's already eating one. Wait, where's the oranges? Where's the orange
here.
guy? Oh, it's because there's a lot of people that have like fruits and vegetables and stuff that I thought we passed it already.
Speaking of my orange dealer, he's right up here.
The orange dealer's over
He's
here?
got it for the Lolo. Bro, he sells by the pound.
By the pound? I certainly thought that said carne asada.
Can I try one of these?
No.
Yeah, let's go ahead, man.
Look at that, they give me some orange.
Looks like grapefruit.
Give me one of there. You, look how orange it is, like literally.
Looks like grapefruit.
Damn. Some bomb stuff. Like I could fit it in his mouth, I guess. I wonder how they make. Look how dark it is, though. It seems like it still has juice, but it doesn't. So beef jerky. Oh, they get samples of beef jerky. Oh, you know what? I've tried these beef jerkies too. Did they give you a little sample of them, right? They have really, really bomb beef jerky. And if they don't give you samples, then they're not bomb anymore. I remember we used to buy our rave glasses right there.
Anything for you?
Yeah, let me try a regular teriyaki one.
That's our best seller.
Is it?
I eat it too fast, so I go for the hot teriyaki.
That's bomb.
They retain the soft and tender texture.
They have bomb. Alright, so this one's the original peppered. No, there's the steak, right?
Brisket pepper.
The brisket peppered. So this one's like a more like of a wet, like not dry like that one.
All the hot ones are like the brisket, right?
Oh, we have that.
This one's pretty bomb.
Sometimes we'll have a hot teriyaki. It's my favorite.
I'm gonna try that. And that's it. I'm sorry. I don't want to be taking over like all these. Oh, I was like, that's not how I was like, oh, okay.
It's fresh pepper and cayenne, so it's one of the ones that is here.
I like it because it's not like, it's like you could taste that the spice.
Slow you down from eating the whole bag.
This guac.
It's traditional roasted tomatoes with cilantro.
You're gonna like
We're trying some salsa. Oh,
What's the hottest one you have?
This one here is my favorite. It's also the hottest. It's called pajarito.
pajarito?
Little bird.
Little bird, right? Well, let's try this one.
Check the green one out. It's not something you might have tried before.
All right. They have like food. Let's go back to the jerky. Hey, what's up? What do you guys sell? Nah, I'm just kidding. They're really cool. Oh, we didn't try this one. There's a handmade granola. Hey, so what are you guys selling? What are you guys selling? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm just kidding. Ooh, bomb cookies. Look at these big cookies, guys. Alright, well, pretty much this was it. It's kind of, like I said, we got an orange from this. We got like a million jerkies from over there. They have flowers and roses that I'm not gonna give to anyone.
I want to try an apple.
Oh, they have other things to try? Dude, we're back at this. There's the pink lady apple.
My pleasure. Have a great visit too. Thank you.
Oh, wait, grapefruit. Never seen one of these. I don't know how it's like.
Let's get one from here.
It's $7 for a small bag or 3 smalls for 20.
Whoa. So that was a street fair for y'all here in Huntington Beach, California. If you guys are from around here, make sure you guys come down. It's pretty fun. They have a lot of, I mean, I'm not saying like fun because, oh, we had a blast, but it's pretty cool. Like, it's a cool little experience. Pretty much it's just a farmer's market. They have all this random stuff. So I'm moving my hand around because I'm getting tired of holding the camera. Make sure you guys follow this guy right here on his Instagram. He's gonna tell you right now.
TheGood_seed.
God. There you go, the good seed. I'll make sure to probably put it underneath there and also on the description. So that's it pretty much. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and like this video, put your thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time.